guys, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned into VoyageFlower. On this channel I make homemade soaps and film about my entrepreneur series. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe and help my channel grow. Also, if you're old subscriber, welcome back. Thanks again for tuning in and watching my videos. So today we're making goat's milk lavender soap using goat's milk and lavender buds and lavender scent. So we'll go ahead and get started. I already have my gloves on, ready to go. I mixed my stuff and we are ready to. All right guys, so we gotta dry to cool off, and we're gonna go ahead and mix it. We're putting it in here. So yeah, this is gonna be tough to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. This is going to be purple. Do it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do verse of the day, and then we'll get to cutting, and that's it for the goat's milk lavender soap. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and read the verse of the day, and yeah, stay tuned for the cutting. Alright guys, so this is the verse. It's from Isaiah 43 verse 2, New King James Version. It says that when you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers, they shall not overflow you. When you walk through the fire, you should not be burnt, nor should the flame scorch you. And that is all for the verse of the day. You can go ahead and read about it more on your own. But for now, we're going to go ahead and go through the cutting.